When I was young, now when my mother gave birth to me, she was not having another child. She was not getting at that time, my mother was not a Christian. So my mother and her neighbor went to Kyinaman. I was very young at that time, but I still recollect. I remember that time. When he got to the place where my mother was standing, he stopped, and then he looked up. And he held my hands and drew me out of the line to stand there and said, "Whose son is this?" And then my mother knelt down.
Prophet Isaac Owusu Bempah, and last Sunday a trail na or like a story of the Asia Ebrana or Yabofra or cinema made the call Komfuo my ho. I think it's a wow, yes, Anthony. What is a Komfuo way and Kada? If you are like 30 years and above, what is said, you do that? He was one of the powerful deities and not over Asante Mebu. Now, Prophet Isaac Owusu Bempah Ebekase, Ebrana Osano, or my me, and then call her. Now, deity and a mamma made the coy. A deity and a man or my me, and then the coy. The person you corner, you could tear, a man, no, it will come as now, and then the first time I over your channel is kindly subscribe to my channel, like my video, after drop a comment, na me to be sure me be FM free ho. Now if possible, so I share my for you na.
When I was young, now when my mother gave birth to me, she was not having another child. She was not getting at that time, my mother was not a Christian.
Now her
neighbor, with whom she lived on the same compound, directed her to a certain shrine called Kyinaman. So my mother and her neighbor went to Kyinaman. I was very young at that time, but I still recollect. I remember at that time my mother had bought a beef loaf for me, and I was eating it and enjoying it as we were going.
Now how to say jabo?
That the gathering there, the place set up was like a gathering.
Ahemfo lie or businessmen.
There was a queue for every person.
In fact,
a queue for chiefs, queue for businessmen.
Those
who have marital issues had their own queue.
Now
when you get there, they would ask you to buy an egg.
Na Komfuo no de ogina baby say na wall e won nanim na ebo ti se oyambo tintin ni bi esi nanim.
Now when you go, you see the fetish priest at one side, and there is a wall in front of him, and you will be on the other side, and before him there's like a stone.
And
there are 3 huge umbrellas over him.
And na Komfuo ebigina se no mukuta kuku sa ade no se pa da fita o se shire fita egugum.
So some of his stewards are standing beside him bearing pots, and in the pots they had clay, benonite clay in that pot.
And through Komfuo ni ma oju kosua or the bobo no so no de ne podua epia kosua no opia digu na for start kansem chiro.
So when you sit before this fetish priest, he will take the egg you have in your hand, will smash it on the stone, and will push away the shells with the
Omo
one in his hand,
grunchene,
and will start
grunchene.
telling you things about your life. There were people playing drums around
Aya
him.
komfotwene.
They were playing drums in the fetish way.
The ehu ya ne sa komfo na huri afi baabi ogina no atra wall no aba begina wall n'anim.
Now all of a sudden, we saw the fetish priest jump over the wall and was standing on the other side of the wall.
Ɛhɔ apɛ na ne nkrɔfo di mirika di n'akyi.
And all his
Ɛna ɔmo tu
stewards
hyerɛ gu
ran
so.
after him, throwing the Benonite clay on him,
Ɔnam nipa nim na ɔteatea mu.
and was walking in the midst of the people, screaming out with a loud voice.
Oduru baabi a me maame wɔ na ogina yɛ.
When he got to the place where my mother was standing,
Ɛna
he
ɔhwɛ
stopped,
soro.
and then he looked up
Ɛna ɔsɔ mi mu.
and he held my hands
Ɔtwe mi bɛgyina ala ne mfimfini.
and drew me out of the line to stand
Ɛna ɔsɛ hwan bɛ ni.
there and said, "Whose son
Ɛna
is
me
this?"
maame bu nkotodwe.
And then my mother knelt down
Ɛna ɔsɛ nana me paa.
and she said, "Please, this boy is my son."
Afei kɔnfo ne bie n'ano a Kyinaman Komfuo
The
Kyinaman.
fetish priest spoke,
Ɔteɛ mu ka kyerɛ me maame
cried
obi a
out
ɔwɔ
with
hɔ
a loud
biara
voice,
te.
and said to the hearing of everyone,
Obey ofiri soro mu soro.
"Now your son is from the Most High.
Ɔyɛ nipa kɛseɛ
He is a great man,
na ofiri soro mu soro.
and he is from the Most High."
Fa sisenya pa sisenya tɔ na tɔ nyina fitaa ka ho na fa bra na menya adeɛ bi ma no. San sɛ ɔyɛ nipa kɛseɛ ɔyɛ ɔhen kɛseɛ.
Buy a
Ofiri soro mu
suit,
soro.
buy a white cloth, bring it to me. Let me perform some rituals on it and show you what you will do with it, because your son is a great man.
Ɛdeɛ nti na meka nsɛm wei.
Why am I citing this example?
Yɛwɔ nkurɔfoɔ bi wɔ ateasefo asase yi so ha no
You see,
ho
there are some people on the face of the earth
a ɔmo yɛ soronko.
they are different.
Yɛn nyinaa yɛ nipa.
We are all human,
Beebinom yɛ soronko.
but some people are different.
Na aberanteɛ wɔyɛ soronko.
Now, this young boy is different.
Ɔnyɛ ordinary wɔyɛ soronko.
He is not an ordinary boy. He
Ebi
is
a ne
different.
maame mpo nim.
Maybe his mother doesn't know.
Ɛmi da sɛ me maame wɔ dɛm ha.
I am happy my mother is here with me
Aso
today.
mi kan mi fira na ɔbɛka ne yie mpo akyɛn sɛdeɛ
Now,
mi
the story I just told you, if I gave her the opportunity, she will tell you more than I've told you.
bɔn nsɛm na
Put your
Jesus.
hands together for Jesus.
Wei kyerɛ sɛ biribi wɔ hɔ.
Now, this shows that there are things in
Wei kyerɛ
existence
sɛ nyame wɔ
that
hɔ.
we don't know. This shows that God
Wei
is
kyerɛ
real.
sɛ Yesu wɔ hɔ.
This shows Jesus is real.
Akɔdaa yi wɔyɛ soronko.
This boy is different.
Obonsam so wani o. The devil too can see, can prophesy, can tell you so many things. Say obekaya erunti ena ebra na yeba be friends of Moses obetimi de oje abre the people of Israel no. When Moses was about to be born, look at the challenges that Moses faced. Look at Ebra Pharaoh Egypt. Pharaoh ehihye say oba bebe bia yeba wono no yenku no. Why itina why share Ebra no at any time? Ebra na beso say ebe wo Moses no afei na obehye sa Ebra no. Why? Because obonsam so betimi ehunu, obonsam so timi hunu niema. The devil too can see visions and can prophesy. Odo so timi hunu time mo etimi hunu say like ojiphobia obaba beji Israel for a free enkwasumo no. He is about to be born. Enu tenu sadia on shebra na yewo ebabebe bia yenkuno said a bear or Jifono, Yawuna, Yebikuno, and Diafra. The same thing, no, and see a brother Jesus Christ, yeah, Baba Wono. Up in there, Rome, Eka say, Obia Uncle the Chrome, na Yanko Kaino, Aditia, because Neka Yesu, or Mame, edited me fan say, a Furumoso, and I say, be a horse or the neighbor. Me fancy Bethlehem and they be on my men wapon and I say bibi they say be Jesus Christ obewa na wawu sanso no bobekaya ebra wise men no na omo edam kwamu a omo kodu Jerusalem na omo pe Jesus Christ and chen akwa omo ko pie Herod ahimfie no. Bible say Herod can say omo kodu ko Jesus Christ they should come and tell him so that he will also go and bow down to Jesus Christ. But we all know that Herod was lying. Okay, Herod was lying. And then when the wise men didn't go back to Herod, Herod made a decree that any child 2 years and under should be killed. Why? So that if Jesus Christ happens to be there, Jesus Christ will be killed too.
It is a year of my many papa and Jesus Christ, a journey koshe Egypt. Jesus Christ would have been killed. And the devil too can see, the devil too can sense what is about to happen. And that is why now Kyinaman Komfuo, he was able to see and say this about Prophet Isaac Owusu Bempah. Nasa akonyana and I said and the manema oka say omame fabrano. I don't know say omame the koidia. I don't know. That one there one can I don't know. I don't say baby say no. Medi say I can tam edi achira me who say there is no way say bibi betibesi my brother bo say me come so because say at the corner I see our life mu na me say eya the money no eya bonsam and e koso sade no. Is the devil behind that? It is a devil behind that idea. Why should I go to the devil? Why should I go to the devil? Because Okomfuo, Malam, Dosifo, Abeifo, Omunyina ye Jumama the devil. No. They are all agents of the devil. And tell about the saying why the Ira? Oh, Amadi Bimu. Amadi na Udemuno. Who is causing that? Is the devil. It is a devil no air cause dia. Why do you go back to the devil? Say, Uji Amadi na Eda Osono FM free ho. You see, they didn't know. They didn't know. But in our time, we will never do that. We will serve only Jesus. Only Jesus. It is Jesus and Jesus alone, and there is no other God. I don't know. That is how it is. I don't know. Don't go to Obosumso, don't go to a Komfuo, because it is like you are robbing Peter to pay Paul. The challenge you are going through, and your bonsam and the neighbor, and you go to the agent of the devil to help you solve your problem. See, how can it be? How can it be? That is not possible. I don't know. Let us learn something. Say, let us not go to a Komfuo and answer baby. Let us go to only Jesus Christ. Bye.